Wahia obedene. Itu edo ya fefefe. Edo ni ro wa kebe di risi. Itu egwa. Egwa ro mo no ba. Edo no ba ye. Egwa no ba ye. Oba ato ope. Ise. Itu enige. Itu ejonwe. Itu kaene. Itu igele. Tu ya kebiko. Edo ya fa wa de na lo to hedo. Wa de wa to ta na te negbe ma. Okeke ni ma e ma ni mangeleki. Awe ma ni ma kin e ke ma kede. Egbe oro ba ya ni re do e ake fun. Ma togo gi so derio. Long so egbe ni oba. Ọ̀sẹ̀ jẹ́ gbé adótẹ́ máa rí rára ó dèdè ní ìkàyà bí mana. Mà yára yẹn rẹ̀ ìbá ó sàlùpọ̀ abúlé àgbọ̀n náà. Ìbá sàlùpọ̀ ayẹ́dò. Àmì òtò ló gbọ́ ká. Òkú rọ̀ gbòdò rọ̀. Ẹ̀dọ́ yàfẹ́ ẹ̀rá mú yẹ́mẹ̀ kámọ́ gọ́gọ́. Ọgọ́ bá ẹ̀mà yẹn dò tá ẹ̀ náà. Òkú má nẹ́ dò. Eni, Oba ya don't give do. Kebe, Oba Eweka Dynasty. We thank God for today. We greet our people. We greet our palace and our palaces. We greet the Oba Edo, the king and the supreme ruler of the Edo people. Oba Eweka. Oba Ato Okbe. He said. We greet the princes and the princesses. We greet the dukes, which we call a nige. We greet the John-way, the oldest people afraid of the villages and village communities. The way God divided us and made us is so supreme, is so beautiful. We should be proud of who we are, the Edo people. Today we are going to continue with the rulership of Edo Kingdom. The kings, the Obas, whom God placed over us. That is why we greet everybody. Take a seat. Look for a seat and sit down and listen. Open your ears and your eyes and your minds to appreciate what God gave to us. This is the beginning of the story of our prosperity. This is the beginning of the story of our growth, politically or otherwise. We Edo people, we just thank God for who we are. You are welcome. And I'm talking about the Edo. Why talking so brilliant? Why go? Oba Eweka Dynasty, my hand on Kana. So, Oba Eweka Dynasty. When every man to buy a while, to buy it again, and then to be man, to go back to Lagi. Kunda get that, my Eweka Dynasty. You to buy it to Lagi, Nima where area. Oba Orominya. Oh, Kawo. Bedan Tadario. Oh, what do we like your dad? Oh, yeah, a Canada. And I when I swear one, I swear that he will. I don't answer you, and I say, I have. If I don't last, I would not eat a fena, Manadoche, Ilefe, a dollar I am talking. Oh, cannot get the Yedo. I can't never know Yedo, or Yedo man, when do you have to buy everything now? Oh, I give you might have a young boy. Oh, I mean, oh, cow. Again, I don't know when they are your body. I wish you were 11 feet, but I can't wait. You cannot 11 feet, and left out the end. A money and or more to my young, yet to be setting idea do, yet she don't wine. Why don't you be not your idea about or Roman young? No matter to your monogram. Or not the idea do, I don't know the young about it, my idea. Where again, or go to it without. Yet to buy your idea, he lay feet. Young Jay lay fair about Roman young. Where say Papa about to boy, una dollar you be my mouth and say. No forgive Oba Eweka. Oh, we are Roman young. No give beer or make ya be way. Oh, Eweka. You cannot backward. And I'm young aqua, you know, but aqua pan of the care. You give ya wet. Or if ya wet. Akwe na kperi je if ye ona ya gba ko pa no kai oto ona gbe po ona wa o bo me bai o wo mi ka o bo me bai oyo Oba Eweka lage ge ya di na di Oba we do le ja ese gbe are do e no o ke ba pa no so egbe da ga Oba Egwa kwa hen. Egwa kwa hen. Oyi be di Oba be ra gi gbera. Oyi ke wa pa na sigbe nu po ke de ro na ga hen mi hen. Hen mi hen. Oyi be di Oba be ra gi gbera. Nu po ke so na ga Oba Ewedo. Ayaba. Ma ndi bu kwa Oba Ewedo. Oyi be Oba be ra gi gbera. Okay, I Oba Ogwola. Oba Ogwola, Ram Biyano Legado. Oba Ogwola. The Ganoya Oba, Bedo, Onikin. What you want here? No, so I boy Oba Edoni. Oba Edoni. The Ganoya Oba Bedo, anything. So, as we said the other day, after the interregnum, after the time that Obodo lost his son to history, the Canadian went to exile, and he stationed in a place called Uhe, and which we know now to be Ile-Ife. And then he declared to the people who were in all those village communities that he was the son of Oba Ogiso Owodo, who was also the son of Ogiso Igodo. His father came from the skies. He told them the truth, that his father came from the skies, and our brethren who are in that part of Nigeria today, they believe and they know that the Oba, the first Oba of Ile-Ife, actually said that his father came from the sky. It is not a lie. That is what the Canadian had told the people. And he said, I have stumbled on prosperity. Idodua. So people who say Ododua is the father of the land of Ile-Ife, they are right. Because that's what he told them. The Canadian told them that he had stumbled on prosperity. Idodua. Idodua. Hey, is that difficult to pronounce? So we see, when they went to seek for him to come to rule Benin City, he told them that he was too old to come. He decided to send his first son. The first son is Oromiyan. And we hear this everywhere we go, that the Oba was sent from Ile-Ife to come and be king in Benin. It is true, but he was the son of the prince who left Benin and settled down at Ile-Ife. Ikaladeran is his name. So he came and ruled Benin. He stayed in Benin for 1100 to 1180. He found it hard to rule Benin. So he decided to go back to Ile-Ife. And then Oba Eweka was his first son. This first son was the son who was born to him while he was in Benin. He was made king after him. Look at the date there, 1180 to 1146. After the Oba passed to the ancestors, the land of the ancestors, the next son was the son of the Oba, and that was Oba Eweka. Eweka reigned 1246 to 1250. Okay? After that, we have Oba Eweka. You have to remember that this is a primogenitura. Primogenitura is the first son of the king reigning after his father. Look at the time he reigned in Benin City. After that, he came to Oba Eweka. Eweka. Look at the time he reigned in Benin City. Someday we will tell the story of Eweka. After that, we come to Oba Eweka. Look at when he reigned in Benin City. Eweka, during his days, were the days when the moat, the historical moat, was made around the city of Benin as a fortification. The historical moat around Benin City called Benin City Walls. Benin City Walls, which is just like the walls of China, but it is 4 times longer than the walls of China. Go and research into it. Benin City Walls is protected under the historical documents. Although some people have infiltrated into the Benin City Walls. The only wall that looks like that in the whole world is the wall of China. But the walls of China is not as long as Benin City Walls. Benin City Walls is 4 times as long as the walls of China. Ogwola. Then he came to Oba Edoni. He reigned after Oba Ogwola. We are going to see the next batch of kings. Baba na ama edoge no iwe so egbe. What is egbe Edoni pa? Okay. Oyi gbe la Edoni Oba no so egbe na Oba Udagbedo. Oba Udagbedo. Ogi dori Yoba nya Edo. Kí bá pa na say Oba Ohen. Oba Ohen. Ogi dori Yoba nya do ira igbira. Okay, bá pa na say Oba Egbeka. Egbeka. Ogi dori Yoba Edo ira igbira. So agbira na do pe de say Oba Orobiu. Oba Orobiu. Ogi dori Yoba nya do ira igbira. Okay, bá gbira na do mi Oba Uwa Efiokun. Uwa Efiokun yaba Edo dimi. Uwa Efiokun. Ogi Yoba nya do ira igbira. Amien. Okay, bá gbira age no so egbe oyama. Oba Ewaye no gidi gan. Oba Ewaye no gidi gan. Ira bi gẹ́gẹ́ ya Yoba nyado vetagi gbera. Oba Ewaye no gidi gan. Yo we ya se do sikodawo. O to ya fe na ke West Africa. Ona ya se na ke Congo Brazzaville. O se Congo Brazzaville, ona ba mozo yo to. No ya di ma e come yo to. Iyama oga come yo to. I say Congo Brazzaville. Oba Ewaye ogidi gan ne bebo. Ndami no kwa enwen. Odipin ariasen igbe ariasen no gbera. Ariasen biye fa no gbera. Ogidi gan. Agagba wa ba me wa adi obo na wo. Du wa egbe waye a jo base. Okay, bá pa na lo ni Oba Ezoti. Oba Ezoti gẹ́gẹ́ na do Yoba jado. Ezoti, a few good on Rokan. Because of that, I have my joy. And I went and do go here. A do ya boy here, no kick. Yana way no yama, a old yambo. I mean, of Yumpa. My agua, I do it. Give up, I don't know about Olua. You're really about Yado. Okay, what I don't know about Ozolua. On your motor. You're not about Yado. About Ozolua. Now, what about you? No, what about you? Now, what about you? No, what about you? No, what about you? Oh, now what about you? The rugby. The rugby. Okay, again. I can get good.